Lexi attempting the big drift.
Ready?
Blizzard of 2011. That drift is higher than she is. She's gonna get stuck. Can't come back this way? We're just going to take a visual of the garage. And Lexi can't get out here, so we'll give her a hand. Go around towards the front. It's still snowing pretty good. That is the street. You can't see it too well. Here's our house. Front door. Good luck getting into there. Basement window is underneath that eave, so the snow is above the windows. You can probably see just a little midget through there. It's actually pretty nice. Lexi's on the street. Snow's up to her waist. She's about 5'6", almost 5'7". Oh, she's waving for the cameras. Hi, Lex. Alright, no more. Bye-bye.